Hey, what's up you guys? It's Nika and I am back with another video. Hair video, but a new journey. I have started my lock journey. I started my locks with the 2-strand twist method. It is the 20th. Yep, October 20th. I started last week on the 13th, so I'm officially 1 week into my journey. So what inspired me to start my locks? I would have to say, one, my mom is already gonna say something. But yes, she did inspire me to go ahead and start my locks because she has been talking about it for some time, and honestly I've just been bored with my hair. I big chopped, dyed my hair auburn, blonde, grew it out. Last year September I went ahead and cut it again into a tapered cut, which is why it's different lengths. If you can tell, it's completely like look at that. Like I said, I am 1 week into my lock journey. I do plan on washing my hair at the 1 month mark, so in about 3 weeks, which is when I will also come back with another video to show you guys how my hair is looking at 1 month. You might as well show your face. Come show your ugly face. This is my sister, you guys.
I'm just, getting these flaws and all corrected.
Apple cider?
Yeah.
Ooh. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in 3 weeks. You better be there to see my 1 month update. That's all I gotta say.